Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can change the background wallpaper of your home screen on iPhone. So it's so simple and easy, guys. Just open your settings application, and whenever it's open, just scroll all the way down until you got this wallpaper option. Just tap on it, and the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this option. That will be a current, means that this is the background that you use for current condition. That could be a lock screen on the left side and home screen on the right side. Since we want to change the background of the home screen, just focus on the right side here and just tap into the customize. Now take a look on this button feature that could be a pair, color, gradient, and photo. Pair, that means your home screen could be the same between the lock screen and a home screen. Color here is just by adding the color on the background that you have. It's also work for the gradient. And then the photo here is just customize your or personalize the picture that you want to use as the background. If you want to do that, just go tap into the photo, and then you just need to go click into this, so that will be giving you an access into the photo library, and then just tap all, and that will bring you into this photo library, and then just pick one of the picture that you want to use as the new background. And right after you're done, you just need to go tap done, and you already got the new background right here. Go tap done again. So here will be the looks. You will got this lock screen wallpaper and this home screen wallpaper. Simple and easy. Hopefully you understand, and let's meet again into other tutorial.